Linear is a project management tool designed for software teams. It's like Jira's cooler, more efficient cousin. It's simple, fast, and has an amazing UX. Like all apps, it has its issues, but unlike most, you're one key away from adding a rich description, assigning them to someone, adding an estimate, or setting a due date. Now that we have some things to work on, let's plan our next sprint. I'm going to display all issues in a board view to make it easier. Both triage and the backlog are just issue statuses, which means that I can see all my issues right here. I'm also going to sort by priority because why wouldn't I? These are the issues we want to work on next, and now we can configure what statuses we want to use. I'll add the review status because I don't fully trust the AI that's writing all my code yet. If an issue becomes too large, you can transform it into a project, which is a container of issues that can also contain documents, have its own due date, milestones, and even predicts if you're going to finish it on time or not. With projects, you can also use timelines to have a better visual representation of what's going on. Can you do this with issues? I wish, but currently that's not an option. For bigger teams, there are 3 features that probably will be very useful. Creating teams, which is especially useful for groups of people who have different ways of working, since each one will have its own issues, triage, and statuses. Cycles, for all of you who use sprints, Scrum, or any other time-based project management system. And initiatives, which is a useful way for PMs of grouping projects across teams and having a bird's-eye view of what's going on. Finally, Linear integrates with GitHub, Slack, Figma, and many other tools that will make your life much easier. Oh, and unless you have hundreds of open issues, it's essentially free, which is another great reason to stay small and keep it simple. But that is a topic for another video.